This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Emil Nazarian. Looking for space, open floor plan, highly desirable location in an affordable price range? You have found your match. Welcome to this beautiful move-in ready 3-story condo in one of Chesapeake's most popular neighborhoods. Bright and open living space on the first floor featuring new luxury vinyl floors, gas fireplace and a kitchen with mainly stainless steel appliances. You will love the 2-story primary bedroom with a tall ceilings and a loft area, perfect for a home office or a nursery. Both bedrooms have their own private baths and walk-in closets. New carpets upstairs and fresh paint throughout. The beautiful community of Riverwalk offers tons of amenities, including tennis courts, pool, clubhouse and dock.